All right, gang, we're going to up our game some and we are going to look at not just solving the problem, um, but putting it in a real life context. So here are steps to success. Read the question, and to figure out to solve this, do I need to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? And then if I need to find the least common denominator. And then I need to set up the problem and solve it. And as always, write our answer in simplest form. So let's just take a look at a problem. Kevin needs 7/10 pints of glue for an art project. He has 3/10 pints of glue. How much more does he need? So if I see how much more, that tells me I need to subtract. So I have, I need 7/10 and I have 3/10. So the good news is when I'm looking, if needed, find the least common denominator. The denominators are already the same, so I'm ready to set up my problem and solve. 7 minus 3 is 4/10, and this is not in simplest form. Can divide both of these by 2, so I need 2/5 pints of glue. Okay. My second problem is about Linda, and she's making some t-shirts. She's using 7/8 yards of yellow fabric and 1/4 yards of blue fabric. How many more yards of yellow fabric did Linda use? So if she is using 7/8 yellow and 1/4 blue, I'm going to set that problem up as a subtraction problem, but I'm going to write it a little bit smaller. So 7/8 minus 1/4. These are not common denominators, but my common denominator is 8. So I have 7/8 minus 1/4 is equivalent to 2/8. So she uses 5/8 yards more of yellow. Okay, you are now going to pause and try the you try, and then I'll be back with the correct answer. Okay, we are back in action, and the first question for the you try should be 1/2. So that means that Allie ate 1/2 of a pizza. And for Mr. Hook and his Carolina sauce, again for Algebra 1A, you just need to simplify it to 5/4. But since we are talking about cooking, that would come out to be a total of 1 and 1/4 cups of vinegar. All right, and then on the back, we have some more problems. This is what I would call a two-step problem. So the question is asking us to find how much of the circle is shaded. So first I need to know how much is actually not shaded. So I need to do 1/4 plus 2/7. They do not have common denominators, so I need to find a common denominator of 28. So that would be 7/28, and times 4 would be 8/28. So 15/28 of this circle is shaded, but is not shaded, but the question is asking me how much is shaded. So one whole is 28/28. And if I take out this part, that leaves 13/28 to be shaded. So you can hit pause and try the you try, and then I'll be back with an answer. Okay, welcome back. We have 1/4 is not shaded and 2/3 is not shaded. So I'm going to find my equivalent fractions. So that would be 8/12 and 3/12 to give me 11/12 is not shaded, which that makes sense. That looks like it's really close to one whole. So there is 1/12 that is not shaded. And that, my friends, is some word problems. See you later.